right, Yama Abusiafa Kwaba from Sinupi on Kumawood TV. And Dafofra, Tridiampon, a day at Thursday, the 16th day in the month of July 2020. What an year? We said the university and it's good. Now also no, one making good use of the weather. Now at me, especially more power season we na mo betimi pa e de nyama ne bie e si okita onsem nye kita bibe obabia mu kita onsem ti hwe na ateto ne mai atra se benyamre na yetumi SNP edi common sala doson ani atra se benyamre na yetumi edi common channel so say we are live on YouTube, some Darkus TV, Facebook Kumawood TV and other social handles on your phone no one say Google Play Store. Now, after you download the Kumawood app, no, with me actually live on Kumawood TV on MBA. And I say, Enko, Emfa, Emma, Samuel, Kwabena, there are some Darkus, and you are so I'm a na edit show no, everywhere will be. So then it is so, Enko, my proud sponsors, Jonat Herbal Clinic, Doctor, I see the Arabia, how we are no, Titu, and hepatitis, typhoid, stroke. About with me about na one and a Emma, one day, never na catch fantastic food, and a doctor, a war, so and a ghost with casket. Or say they will receive their free moon and a open Fanaka Jacosino. What basic council and they could with me about Ama, what me, Amano, IFA, Kumasi, labor, runabouts, Sa Nifaso, or the air call, prep assembly hall, and of course with casket shop no. Almost so ever and I feel Dr. Mohammed Isa Ababiu Muhiz Herbal Center or any name and the area in Nano Rakoji Aya so and I won and I Emma Obeko na Doctor Etmi Abuawo Omon Eswasne Emma Edison Bidwedino Etmi Edia Bro Naya one the 16th day in the month of July 2020 meaning and Michael Nana Adumakon Obefremi say Mike. And then you na yet come over the week. There has been a lots of issues and across the NDC. I mean, you know, at the swore at the board, the Electoral Commission, especially the Ashanti Regional Director of the Electoral Commission, Ura Benjamin Banobiu, and Crawford, say among massage figures just to make sure say retaining LPP into power. Almost the same constituencies in Ashanti region. The one and I say phase one. As never sworn na before I'm massage figures. I mean, you don't get na anyone say a basa. You know, na yet home come and then so it would make no so teacher unions. Me and son are two come and 9 Natrat, Nat, CCT, and I've two. Uminano, Ericata Tentia Bontiacasa. Say, almost said more from various senior high schools, final year students, and I've a good track. Second year students, NHS for one, who be here, say Mam Fran Akufi. Do it, and now for one acre, no one can tell you no so no. Omo say my friend Kofi a year. They are with the kids, our classrooms, said here protocols, my friend will be in this war, Navy peace, Nina, and Mayana, and Yaman Timisia and Nemua. I buy the Mapai, na addition for Omo and Kofi. Hong Kong, even number. And so get to me Edin over the week. And they still Nana watch it, Nana B, Ebusua, or Bob Shrema, na or Bob Sasapa, and NDC Amanu say in India, say there is excellent the president, a country of communicators of MP before, say issue based politics and campaign, and there was say MP before you. Omatrasi will say NDC ever under John Dramani Mahama His Excellency. Mebun Party, there wasn't any policy or yeah, Mebun Ghana. If you take one, according to Nabi, was a Mebun Kotikua, nay, friend, unemployment graduate association of Ghana. In the association of Tuaya, the Omoma NDC for Madaroma, Omeka policy back one, Oma buy or they buy, and as Oma buy or the buy. Still, almost 7 days, net 83, and this young for me, and the Atlas Lusa. Say upon your dawa, every MP4 and one, and some of the person, William na yet to me, I think more, and so I say, or that river no, I want to go. Kobu area there say aposifo mienu omo pamo am robbers no do makwa kodunu sunu aposifo na kodunu sunu ma mendei omo ya mutu kokora ebenya mre na so ne bometimi edi ho enkom na YEA CEO Justin Kobia Kobia no say wo hwe Jane na opoku ajima professor na or the John Dramani Mahama His Excellency so ka ho a so do mo compare Dr. Bawumia and afi on Penny Akufo-Addo His Excellency ya ko yese de we dey come out TV compare Ebia Nana Yadom ni Facebook page no se wo fom kura kuma wo atina di kura nti untimi mfa John Dramani Mahama and Jane mention sorry Jane na no and compare Anado and Afi Dr. Bawumia. Do you also share the same sentiment? And I say also know what different views. If you don't break now, to me, Eddie, come on now. Ghana Association so say Ebeya. Woma omo emfa COVID-19 protocols no nyajuma. Emra enumuni. The laws are there, but as Emra no nyajuma. Omo say Emra no ensha se nyajuma. Bi o ha yefom court, yemo muka, yefom courtroom. Na intimation proposal na omutimi any protocols no so and also ewonsem Enra and the highest court of the land being the Supreme Court of Ghana the 29-page ruling by your bra NDC court now we say you can say electoral commission yemo kwan na omu Ghana's old voter ID card no a free the current registration section e won komo judgment no aba die omokan e de fa best ehun nyina no e wo ha emrepam emrepam benyamre na yetimi edi ho enkoho na as it stands now o my Ghana ye cases are recorded as it stands now official page die e wo ha eno no e global as e bikura ba 26,000 no enyanko global page no so where the organization die enyanko so na die wo WHO die no so no 25,430 cases with 139 deaths and then 21,511 recoveries. One more time, and I come here and I'm going to say 3,780. Did you tell say? Any part 25,000 over na here really be, but the 21,000 and over and what home. The 3,780 and na yare no omo edaso eja yare e wa doctor for ensem no and a doctor for no so kasa de na you ayi so ma so wa eno mu eno ka chere so confirmation doctor ba ko te na no so ko you for mu frontline workers Ghana Health Service no enya agro wo hwe mu ya hwe mu ya e betumi agwa but then e wi ase nyina so no yare no gusu a ekum nipa ha twen tormenti wi ase pa ile the US, New York, near the Omo Bina Homo school and Omo school. You see, Omo Donald Trump's Omo school. But then some governors also say, and as a head of state for us, anyone said school may be in for now, all because of Yareno said the AC Echo 80. When I'm ready, now yet team come more I say so far 13,799,765 confirmed cases globally, with 589,099 deaths recorded across the world. And then we have 8,197,103 recovered cases. US and Australia. It is some of those William Red now yet to me Eddie and Como and so I say and it's Mike ye twa ho nya bra from Kratom right ba nana wachi ado NPP communication officer for Efjase omo na obekaya primaries doctor ayu yokopo ura miamide admakon amana no ina papa no communication officer no oha sanso na Kisa Morris and so NDC radio communication team member and then we will be joined by Kwame Zu, Ashanti Regional Secretary of the NDC, and then I join on phone by Daniel Feni, educationist. Now for you to me, Betty and Kobo. Ever is ever to us. Right, yes, I am a Bushan Fakwaba, and from Rasinopi on Kumawood TV. Your views, your thoughts, your comment on 0543 596 070. Who has been any numbers no ebuso where now to me at the audience no afaso aba. WhatsApp line, but I am free so WhatsApp line. For channel Ebra. Ye didn't come up on COVID-19 and a call by the teacher unions. Say, oh, Mama Frano and sign MRFU. The teacher unions no come, but I say, what be Napoleon Eddie Ama for stakeholders consultation. But as it stands now, the Assembly of Fidia, I want to say they are very safe. Ever come to say, among Ewana. William Ready did not home and come. What you channel Baba. So, and the issue of youth policy, Amanuku NPP, call it the NDC, to come out with some of their policies. On with me at the dance, say indeed they think about the youth of our country, Ghana, and also if it home and come on. And then we will also be discussing allegations leveled by the NDC in Ashanti region against the Electoral Commission over manipulations of the current voter registration exercise ongoing. Vina Emre and also at me at the home and come on. The guest, if you are transit, you want to call an afino, yen share I say, Nana Boachi Yado, a regional communication team member of the NPP, and then Nana Saif Yasi, communication officer. And Ababa, we have a body. So you can crown social distancing. And can Naki is here. Nanka it's me happy and never could Yaria Kofabai. Ubia Nim Koya fast by Biasi. Yes, President Akufo. Yeah, but if you just say, oh, if you just the chairman said the executives, put all the polling stations sitting in here to the information. Now, I'm in chairman, people, Dr. Donay, free here. I'm in chairman, regional chairman, and then executives, and command regional minister, then Kwan Kudrun and Abu Dam of and that only team. And let the fools out. But I dream woman. It was on your Kniba Ankasa. Now, I very much know about money and I'm a plus in Nadia Mom, but on was not one day. You see, we never come on the beer blew at the bottle. Oh, yes. 3 years ago, you know, we are going to be found. By the brain behind it, no. Oh, so do to me. No, push your home. We shall grow, we shall do the idea behind and he's a fantastic man. He's doing well. Oma MPP, who say your name, said you're not can really say your name. You walk. Who if you see bed here? Like not saying. Oh, maybe who not it? Who not it? I'm saying to a bunny wheel, a bunny ground, and down to maybe that zones. Actually, 1 is 2 zones, 2 electoral areas. Right. Nana Jan called a short commercial break, Massia, the buy metals. There was here. Right, yes, I'm Mario Papa, and from Rasinopi on Kumawood TV. Your views, your thoughts, your comment, Fabra Ninyamre, and Genkai, and for I mean, Kwan, so na mene educationist Daniel Feni Ebodin Komo. Daniel Tianka, and my university of Mo TV.
Yo, middle super.
I don't know homework or yet.
Yamiada Roman was where.
You not been saying where pa.
Yo.
What the Elcoma here didn't about your mofra. Our final year. Both JHS and SHS and I go track students about second year. Almost school for now. Teacher union say by am finding coffee because of COVID-19. Said they are not access here to say various schools no more. And then the government also has a different stance. So they are very safe. You be educationist, boy. At this time, at this point in time, at the end, I was said, I will follow a bang now. Omuye, or Bram of Fano Preta Cotton Damsey.
Yeah, I know what's real great. Memphis when I was in Chia, I said for you, any production killer. So now, look, we are in difficult times. For now, I don't think anyone is normal in terms of largely, in terms of Kasemo, in terms of Echumamu, everything. And now when we come to education, yes, things are not normal. Myanmar I a bit difficult and only the fact that the Polano air package is suffering. You know, it is one thing saying almost school can almost yes, there's no serious exams ahead of them. That would have been a different issue. But almost exams, in fact, almost that on a Monday, which means that almost situation, not only dreaming, at this present time is very important for anyone to show concern. I will follow no see also. Definitely, they are not psychologically well. In time to see now what to take to school year maybe job that a student new and all that. We parents now to fear. I think you will be a bit scared. But let me use this opportunity now. Young sex realities back on me. Now, reality number one. Yariano and CNC schools was that many people, media platforms, politicians, companies are creating the interest. It is not the case. Look, there are over 800 senior high schools in Ghana. And out of the 800, less than 20 for now have recorded cases. It is never true for you to see now people be cutting the at a PhD secondary school to me, higher the day. It is not the case. It is not the case. Ghana is not Accra. How many people or schools? No, Savannah region. How many schools? No, Western North region. How many schools? No, Eastern region. How many? Okay, so what's an Accra? Accra school, you may be school, you may be 2 years. Now, if you now use so it is understandable. Some people are creating this impression by the case. Number two, students are currently at the local cafe. They are about 115, 120.
Yeah.
That is proper confirmed cases, not the rumor one, the confirmed cases. Probably just about 120. And the prayer to say for my car girls and about this of the students have recovered. Some are recovered and all that. Currently, students are in school. They are about 300,000 some recent social, they are about 200,000. No, go track from two. Our one of our campus also be about 150,000. So we are talking of about 350,000 students, no more school. Then 120, no more because of the 350,000. So it is not so true. So allowing everybody school getting area, getting expert study, getting it is not the case.
But the next one, Danny, I shall see a kakra. My name is Sonasa, you're to be uncontained in Taiwan. If it's me, I ask for them more.
Yes, and that is the discussion I want Daniel to start having. Okay, I have seen a section of the population advocating we should close down the schools, including 3 teacher unions. Now, not that concerned teachers. These are 3 major teacher unions, and I'm so much disappointed in them. These are the parts of the teacher unions, and they are really like other illiterate. Look, teacher unions in Ghana are behaving like illiterate, are behaving like they have not been to school before. Look, I have said this and I will maintain the situation now and a big problem. But when you try your emotions and solve it, so they are around, you know, that they are really for your decision. And I hear grateful if you are free without a year, could take any decision. Look, why am I saying that? When the teacher unions, when I'm not saying in fact, I don't want to accept it they represent the teachers. I am taking it as the individuals not really there, and that was a decision coming from a very weak-minded group of people. What am I saying this? Look, if you tell me that I should close down schools, many problems.
Okay.
But my problem is that where should the students be going? When you close down schools today, where should the students be going? Shame of the color, the teacher union telling us that the shame of the color is safer than campus now. Is that the argument?
The parents are saying, say, I'm afraid of my fear. Ever taking the full responsibility of their kids. And that one will be better than allowing them to be in school and if you won't follow the protocols and
so why don't we tackle the issue from the management of the teachers and our headmasters? They are not doing the work well. Why don't so from what you have told me, do you realize that now the problem is not about and I am going to school. The problem is that some headmasters or some teachers are not really ensuring that we begin also. So why don't we tackle that issue rather than calling for look, my member of for analogy. One health organization told us say how can you give me the sentence and last time to be sure on the bed level? And it takes me 2 weeks. Okay? Now, if you know, in Kalana, with your science and senses issue, last week Friday, we have 2 weeks to school. Secondary school will be last week Friday, we have 2 weeks. And the case is a year report in Milano. It started coming in last week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Which means that there's that possibility the majority of them even drop the disease from the house. So what are you telling me? That they should go back home?
Okay. For the sake of time, Danny, say, we'll find out traders. On Monday, visual students will be starting their exams. They have been hearing, we're going to be, our parents want to come for us. They have been police patrol in some of the schools like Accra Girls. Psychologically, my friend, and what can we do now? So they have a stable mind to study and write the exams.
Okay, so as somebody like I said, lower interest in human mind and human psychology, I will tell you, sir, with my argument, a bit complicated and yet simple. My number example, my brother, may you sure that the bigger 1+2 is your answer. In fact, the bigger 20+20 will be an answer.
Yeah.
May you sure that in the yala, the purpose of your bell pass ọ̀dọ́ bí ọ̀pẹ̀ ẹ̀rọ lórí jẹ̀mẹ́sẹ̀ pààyà kẹ́kẹ́ nípa ló di ẹ̀ lórí jẹ̀mẹ́sẹ̀. Nations ó fi mú à wọ́n lè gbé sí 20+20 ní àgbà just because wọ́n ti fẹ́ bí èso ló ń ti. Okay, so ẹ̀yẹ́ sẹ́ńtọ̀ fàáfẹ́ o ẹ̀ náà COVID-19 gbé nkọ̀lá lọ ọdún lè gbé sí ìyọ̀mà it's not the case. They may be sad and sẹ́ni àmì káyọ̀ náà àkàkọ́ àyẹ̀yẹ Ghana. Nti no obi wɔ which region obi wɔ let's take any of them Upper West a ɔyɛ student wɔ secondary school Tamale secondary school ɛfa no nyabo keka na ɛfa no wɔn yɛ case ni bi wɔ hɔ wɔn yɛ abiri hyia de kɔyɛ na wa okay nti no issues na yɛka no ɛnsɛ da nyɛ general problems saa I tell you sɛ over 90% of the students have stable mind for the what is now over actually. They are so ready, they are learning, they are focusing on their work, on their books, on their studies to write the last of the year. Just about 3-2%. And if you look at it here, and school is not about recording, you know. Every maybe some of the students may not be psychologically, but let me use KMUST Senior High School situation for example. Video back on here, one of their colleagues was dying and not.
Good.
Okay, and you could see the students themselves were supporting their colleagues already in the Illuminati. Imagine no issue when I said COVID-19 a year issue. Don't you think the students were normal? Look at the students, they were building their friends. They were waiting for wanted to give more. They were ready to carry their friends. So in their mind, even when their friends get the disease, they are not so like the steps. That's how the human mind works. So I feel that in Colana psychologically, look, generally everybody is a bit psychologically affected. But my brother, I tell you, sir, interview our years. Not a criminal year. COVID-19 it has not affected the interview you are doing. It has not affected you so much. Just as for this of the bank, and also near so much affected off on the bank or any juma or so skin everything normal. Same way other professionals. So why don't we think our students would also be a bit okay to write with them? I think that we have not in the public nimble, the parents, politicians, we are rather spending too much here and panic in the system. And we should stop that. The students are writing on Monday. We should give them all the positive vibe, all the positive environment. When collaborating here to write and pass examination, we should stop some of these creating fear and panic and all these things. It wouldn't help them.
Okay. Daddy, come on TV and you bring it as a fan and Meronia and they're checking him. I'm sure.
Yeah, so that's good.
Daniel Fenny, educationist. I know anybody come. Was it Mofano about 2% pay and you got crab and then the fear of one man, a phone, teacher phone, and other NBC phone. I'm on yes, now the Jampoliano, now you're more confident now. With encouragement, you can write and pass well. Well, watch it. No, what? Okay, and
who's that? Now, nature,
yeah.
Yami, was a grown so I have
sorry,
traditional council.
Yes, no, come on, teacher unions, no, you almost on a temple and idea. And I will follow some man. It's a quote you need to say, men are back. It was school. And I was also accept an idea. You may be answering for an moment. I find the teacher and channel can say, but cancer not to use a ingredient.
Make sure you're saying that is a senior.
Okay.
Yes, me good.
That is a Greek, and I is a Greek.
I break no.
Is it Greek? That's my son. Crowd. Is it business?
And business no cry.
Arts.
Meaning I'm going to arts. They will be on mobile. A human system.
Okay.
Now I offer program. But I'll be a business. Who's the administrative work and those kind of meaning auditing.
But that is the non that they are Greek.
Greek.
A baby, yes. First, no secondary schools are not Greek now. And there's no schools no more. We work from a very temper.
And every 4 years. I baby, garden grass.
I said,
yes, I didn't know. And Quebec Wama, yet to me, every year, you buy and maybe one coat of carry. Wouldn't be any upon your palm a year now, and only 3 years. Yeah, one top now. Yes, a full bunching in our near or to the office will be before. Or what you could to buy us one morning. Maybe give it to me, I can say, Ghana, did I near not be pretty.
If you don't bring me something about my mother, Morris, Kissy, a radio communication team about the NDC. Morris Ababa, I understand now already. You feel ready and happy. But you want to say, I don't know.
Wendy said that Niaba send your home 1 year or 1 year yama. In I until once a mere woman puts up. I'm say Betty and in that near piano.
And I'm more money than some other position.
But I know position at but Omani ye then can't call and I'm in noise. I say, but a rep or one go very dear Shebrash or say, I may also say, so who you journalistic, you know, if you want a sea check a crap. Well, maybe I know why we say would you referee. Maybe an arm vessel become your cassette. When no boy is so. And no beer, I'm not on. Son on the angle on the best.
Right, remember Samba. See, and no teacher in your someone go feel.
So by the treasures. What prepare now? No, the teacher for your brew. The sea and we could have classes. Sometimes you go and then I will figure out. Send me to the true to say yes. And yet, because of free citizens, me my child here 21 years. It's system, my womb watching. Teacher for Papa. Teacher unions and I said they should do proper consultation with the teachers. We say one say more. You throw my dear and come to exams. And I COVID in the buy. And what I'm crying, Cassa. Psychological, immovable.
How much of a channel you could feel?
Now, for a row, who for back or now, a brand new a brand new come out, said you was a corner. Said you was a corner. Who wants an arm, who April. And now, exams, one of the exams. Why are the pencil? So I'm saying, wow, now. Ya yasa kwa kama na kufie yasiko nesa got na fie view nesa kwa ye protocols ye disu
so ya won na dia sa agricol mo diso
ye di na favorite schools no favorite school ni na se ko said ye bon ye na protocols mo follow what's am I ka sim bi interest was it school to do saying that yet nya report say sa ya bi covid achichiro.
Something of nothing ammonia.
By the way, when you say corona, now we did out. When you say we,
but we didn't know.
We were not going, we different. You cry, just and you soon. And Pierre, who bad idea, see class beer, your very good buckets. Okay. Ya check no smart TV, Eddie Amo.
When you say,
a party, so what do you want any day kind? One on the kind. Matisse next week, another so set na ever. so what I say na we ni esi wo si ehye eto ade ete bi go
na me dey say
me so bi kwa akoda
na me dey say
bi kwa akoda o ni da
we o ka se we si a we e foforo kra da bia we nya foforo ba ko shi ba we foforo kra o ka se ba ko yi na be si ne da bia oh na it's worrying say akoda no go sunya de na bi oba na obesi no wato ade ete no wasi no wato
you see is Ghana ye we enye nyeme nyina mi epeni yansa ka we nimsa I was saying can be bia sex can this ba no mafa no man mo twakron e kron nyina ye neat eya na me ra o go basic schools na me indicate ka ba o go basic schools na o she kwan ye gbada na classrooms o mo tete ya na re I should still you go school e bi mo anye Kofi Annan nye no nko ye biwe na yi nye class ziano classroom ziano nko na ye de bi oni nwa kwada no kra kasa no nko school no na bi kuta bi awufo na mi ni to bi ma mi ba mi to sis
oh yes most of the kids
no yes go schools no enti nye bi no ba ko no kra aban ne de ba ye no kwan kwada no wo e bi die ye ten
but na po so say awufo bi wo so no nya bi ko nti sa awufo na mo bi no mo sa awufo no so ma na
bro pie Ghana ya na ebu nipa bia bonfia onim say no smarts omo a omo nibi ene ton no smarts odo pa hwe omo ne nam kwa ho ne ton no smarts hwe say ayi omo asika fo ne ton wa bon skani a wasi form enye sika fo ne to free omo nibi no adi eno kra ya adi ala na do ye ya mani aso mani agye mo pa what say you think? What say you need to create a lot of things. You depend on the white. Shebra, your man for Dan Kofia, a be happy.
Listen,
Omuntre exams in them. Omuntre no sadis one, a son padan, in free one so. And I make a say, didn't I hear you? A crow say a simple there is Uncle Fee, and walk home. And walk on padan in number 1 team. I will feel good to me, Jean Paday. Brother, ya wona broma na.
I want to be shampala.
Na mo di jam
mo wi school mo san go fi.
De wo
fo na me ba awo fo na me ama wo me ba. Ma hwe me ba na do secondary school no. Me ntimi hwe no. But 2 months no be school dey wo be hwe na say.
Bia wo de wanu wo de manu ko e dia say na ye. Dia me kan say wo hwe market women na. Wo bi timi sori anopa. Anopa bi o kra fo ana mo wo Opa no ne papa ni bi no wode ade agya hwe hunua no eya mo ni nkuru omo ni nkuru opa communities omo wom
okay the amana experience fan
e go say yetimi ye bibie kra nka wo say teachers need to be ko fie e ko kire nkoda no enye bad idea maybe ya sese o mako ku school mu ene ye kire o made o oni ma bibi wo say borders no but the school be a boarding system no they phone in our bodies. A man number 9 increase. Men go to Nidia, Nankin was
okay.
Yes.
Second year.
Men name me and Casama by Yadden. Oh, sire. Good, Nini Panson. But also go before us as well. Woman, I'm so papa. The government social studies. Oshe syllabus na a swankasa. So she was in the content a dozen. A craving yet me a cover. Because mo badia na bibia bisi no mo go mutiri nya kra unlike the green omo no omo de omo timi abonya normal ena sa season we enye obi na akofa ba o dia ba wiase no economy the wiase bi ba before US said you are thinking of going back to school. The open na papa you work as why not
some of the governors no say they
please on man padani tren vie dodo a omo kra no esu omo kra no omo su na yenye
na na
antiama eba eni ne mo afichire bobo ko hwe pade bi agro wa penti ko hwe awofo ankasa kra yenye penifo kra how many of us any use protocol evolve.
Okay.
Well, our schools no teachers no I'm telling you the way omo any padano year school mo no mo monitor on your COVID team team response team every school. Of course, secondary schools in you walk. Team no. Our muyo mutuwa the CP say akwadaro brass and you yitu baby I was a bit tired on my body. Kebeye you free with.
Okay. But for we see mommy. My friend on penny to for no same for the protocols. Now you really yes exercise. Enough exercise. Now you boost the immune system. And the other number of friends dino. And so I need to go for buy you. Assassin so they are not boosting the immune system. No. Saturday and scar. Go the man who best for money scar better food. It will be out told the school move. Then why would the children get at that source of food apart from the thing down home? A bit more boost of immune system.
One of that was our foreigners and Mango. Campus near my own.
But so they have been coming to the campus to give the children every day.
Listen. Gates. Okay. School. And what I call boarding house.
Okay. But near to
and there was only once in a month.
Some secondary schools I know, Obakono, food joint to go. Japan, Emano, 5 cities with the very ones in the tanker. Says the fruit in and a year ago.
The same of us. I won't follow the fruits every one. Okay. And now, near me to command. Good. Nana, what's
Morris. Teacher, you know, some of them any PT, and then when this is for some said, I don't go feel. And then Miami said, then you will check or better secondary schools. The teachers are not happy. And I'm wondering if the teacher unions are representing the teachers. Because the teachers are saying that, you're not saying for another dams, you're by some goofy. Or Marco, your son bus have a money. What are some sound goofy? The answer I'm baby give it to Madame dams. Let them write. So it seems that even the teacher unions no problem. How you help the man without the consent of the teachers? Me too. What say council and so now education and so they are on the PT and Olana de Mitio.
I mean, I say, Mike, Menawasi. Na Mensanso chat, especially your chef. Good. Now, I'm in term conference for your wife, you're going to Mason. I say, yeah, Gusway, yeah, new hopa. Minia, Nioka Yina, Mebono, Top, and Yenitiawa. Who goes up? And Anna who goes up? A wine and a dear bedroom pompon swine. Wine a dear bedroom baby, a wussy. They met my canina and say, Nina, and Combrena, who are buying bad policies, bad systems or dear government. But before I remember on my many quick rebuttal, yes, I'm real. Also, I like your line of questioning. Obian no about show you so fan on toto. Who make sure say ni panel one fan to be a da or keep ni panel on track. Also bisa na biane ase. Enya man payin na sie ni dawa. O sie ni dawa ye ni mo money ko bi den na ni kontomre nyoma. And now for ye wie ye share mrade to once aye bi school. Ye so ofuo bia ni ho kwan. Sempo oba e school entrance okra no be do me see registration say registration your
no school more.
Yes. And yahunya ma bebre owufuo bia ni ho a ye ma no kwan ma ni wura ho enso ye political parties na nya kwan di mu atrantue koba hwe Accra girls ye ni see no me monitor one of the schools infected schools no me de mani esi so pa me monitor obibia parents ne ba friend kura say ma aduane na ede ma o akra me ntimi ntwakra na ma me ne o ofo na so ya friend say wa pe bibia gu politin bag na so o dia ko du o yesi da ye ma on fa wura e no te wo ka say ye ma ofo ni di wura na ye friend say virus novel virus say to me can be endi says ana kan de ene say ene mo mo de ba de ene say tetare ho de di wura mu ko ba hwe eno ko da na bo onim so oti apowie ye na okoje no ho ayare hwe wo Domama Hospital or University of Ghana Teaching Hospital. Obaye, you granting interview. Was one protocol, Pierre, one final more growing. Say social distancing, say your best max, so be rosa, or best sanitizing. Was here the sanitizer for the body? Was you when you know and so virus may become? How much more? Ye Maui. Even parents, all ministers, state us and their mom. A bad boy who by you near me, and you may know, and a 20 sanitizer. I tell you, say, tie or new bed, and board tomato fruits. I have fruit salad, I am a new Nessica. On why you when you now boosting the immune system still, when you be, now your mom. Oh, say, your Cassia, also a Casa was so teaching. Namentade, Mr. Machre, I did a fear Dumbakuni.
Okay.
What I say? Ntin na yenim. Say ban say a school for ne so hwetro ne exam. Me no ti we go pie nipa da say ni bia nia asase so a onsu nsore. Obia ni ho. Say ka say enso hwe ba na obia yem chiche. Na enso hwe na chi ye kwotwo nsore. Na ye manage ya yem chiche na dia kwakọ wura nsore tro no. Yawa say ya de asan ba betwa ye wa.
Right, 2% pen and schools no. Just 2%.
Oh, say mine. Also, Casa say maybe 2% pen. Hey, I'm counting tea. I say, yeah, one year good than you gusa. A being counting to say pet.
The young people took attention to schools now when you be now. Maybe our one or young show 220 no come fast. Maybe others not there, more and go ahead with. Near year can say, you penny year when they say, you bear testing. Yet me no more than enough for money na metia go schools be miensa of which akoma dan secondary school kan wen so enka GS so far schools na ya konve enka ho akoma da secondary school
me na me catch you
still dey dey go
me na me catch you ba ku na di kanyan onya wie ye na ye koye ye friends and the control no omo enya kashibom na di pensia ye fa mo 3 eko 6 ni nyina ko test na 3 enya bi na de train go ka no ma ye nan e wa train na wo no mu so mu nya bi ya ba be for mu so ko e nan
na say abana massage we na say your school
and na make a choice either so massage or the government is not living up to expectation and not necessarily no ye worry teachers say wo school mu teachers say wo school mu o ka dey na ban ka one can teachers will provide them PPEs okuna doctors for call you. And they say coronavirus when no doctors no one name is a mom. And then you go to salute one. Say coronavirus grow now. Even the amount of money the teacher for them you work teachers say was in school they say. And most of them are asymptomatic. And now say when you better not ya yo bibia. Tima na me wo junior high school ya great teacher. Was this a causidiosis bad? And go ya de akoko bi o huda e ho na ma bi ko si me ma me akoko bi so e go ya de ba o huda e kwa sa beto no is on the producer ade ne ba season nudura o we producer ade na ba ti sa asymptomatic tank of one omo e mbaburu ni immune system ni yenti teacher ni no wo na wo nyina na de foreign
and also na professor Opoku ama ko e ka say se ma ko fa no kofia e bia de bi wono wa ye nhuye no o ko sare ma me a owo ada element bia akoko no ma me no akora na na mo ti wo mo tra school mo
asama ye kan se ndisi kan se mo make sure se secondary school bia ye be testing ground ne ya so no mo obi ni ye ti market for them ye ti market o mo ni bia ya mo kofie ana ti me nya grade ni wie na me grade fa me ko me grade menya grade na wie na ya say okay menya your friends A1s ma bo me homework meti me paper wie ya na e kwa kosie bi eno mom na be kwa me enti na countries o mo dwe hwenkan o mo nim die mu no bi ti say Nigeria Adam health minister o si nya die say ye be ja ya nkura ye ja pade nkofo a ye wati mamo amo no ye dachi o amo na kwa tetete ya de na minister Meshabo na matu mi ministry mu. I am presidency kura president. Ya no go presidency. Ya tutu. Congress Bokore, Obian Hobra, presidency walk about. Yatum because of coronavirus. Education ministry. Education ministry. Brabium.
Minister President one a few people on more isolation.
That no one had two about my one had the president to isolation. Any coronavirus corona. President na work continue from presidency. But you never know until now was already in office because of coronavirus. Coco, you are working on. Education ministry, you are working on. Open boss, you are working on. GNPC, you are too. So many institutions are because of coronavirus. You are the power of attitude. For the safety of and for the year to my now, ye no penny for Lumpo, ye Danny Wo, yes, Roa. Now ye can't grant so Mungo. Oh, say, a good for the yes here. Ah, no, my young say, or better now, simply as a name Cassa say. A good for the graduates, not just one make a gentleman of American. This is a side graduates, no. One fuck will be a soup. I'm a side graduates not register. Ne register we as graduates no no na abi no ye da kwa koto aba wa bra wo me ye parent a me matima wo me ba me ni mo kwanya akra se me hu me ba eja so we Accra girls issues na matan bu ani mo na ebi su ebi twa jadu ebi ku fo mo na police for eni wo mo ham so say ye ma mo wura ho no hwe ene school say enya bi ye wo Mamuli Bishop Herman your friend is Dabala Senior Schools bebre. What they can say figures in our nearby Kakurai come a walk a yammy yapa and say, yeah, the percentage at the benchmark be at home. Say, schools Ninya, we have 15% near close
on records, Dr. Okuboy, I go to say, as a Yantanasi.
Also, Obeso Chelsea.
That's what I want to tell. But they can say, but I don't know any.
What we say, a fair, didn't I tell you? A fair hit no a Daniel Consul was about Bedayam. But natural sense now, 40. I don't know about any year. What can say school be 15% of the population Benya and our college school no and for the granted say school, Yaman say 2%, 3%, and now I can say Enya. Ah, Sabo for say you have a present and so your team member to you. And the one who say, Wo, and now 2 years already. What come of Ranabegun? Your contract sickness, not what in a few. And the next up, what mean trouble? But I will be telling you, okay, what I had the diligence of the president.
Right, Ambassador, and Dr. Mohammed Issa Abebiu of Muhis Heba Center. In the Akoya Napa, Yare and Awayare. Say, Uhuna when ni and a tedious so, and Uhuna we are now 7 across and 9. Harding, and I say, eh, dear, na Pampai pa, oh, when you move out Casa, Wakatipa, Nina no, eh, now they are not out of Hokrano, and it's a stroke actually, now the next year, Niajusica, and still, Emperor, I don't think I can say, Dr. Mohammed is a music brand. Ono de nyame e de adom no mofrase de besi ne pani feso e na wan na mure mu afin hahan eroti o de kanwa na wa yare sano e na o de ema ho yare bi a obi a no mo de ne bra odium anwoma so do mi abra o e na Dr. Mohammed Issa Abebiu the award winner Muhis Heba Center award over for Dr. Mohammed 0249 6169 37 0249 6169 37 na wajo so wahwe this year ya nanso na nya dan ya wiase nyina ebekọ american adonti so besie no na be de yekura enfo ha obi ama na obi betwetwenwo bank betwetwenwo onko ba besie ba bie na efe bu anu ase e obadum no eno enti na Gospel casket yaba say if anaka bi afebia no ebema obi video coverage ebema obi flowers here digu funusu anase ukọ musie ya toto amanfo na so nyina no obi oho eye toma na wo pe afan ebema obi sanso na ambulance a ede efunu no ebe free mortuary beko fie beko musie ni na no ebenya bi ede amane ama abesi anbe yi no a interest bi ayi ho nyina ne se ko ba de ne ma ho tie mo sika de yi na wie yi no a o diskara beto bi eda we ana ya ma o de hia ne so be kumase Labour roundabout, Fantino Town, anaasɛ wobɛfrɛ ahomatorofoɔ no na mpanimfoɔ no wɔdi nkɔmmɔ ɛsɛ fra ahomatorofoɔ no na mpanimfoɔ no wɔdi nkɔmmɔ wode hyɛ afiri mu a wodeɛ woyɛ 1 week ne wie no ara na waba anaa wafrɛ na ɛne wɔnya nkitahodie bɛbɔ kama ama wɔyɛ biribiara ɛmfa ɔhaw biara ɛmɛto abusua no ɛsoɔ ɛnkɔtɔn papa no agyapadeɛ anaa mama no agyapadeɛ ansa na ɔyɛ yie no bra ne ɛmmoa na ɛbia kama 0243 737 457 0243 737 457 no fra binyamre na yagye so yɛntwa yɛn ho mmra anaa na wɔ bibikitɔ ni just 30 seconds
maybe say or what's Ashanti region, but one Ashanti region school back or crap.
Oh, Akumada, or
Akumada Ashanti region.
Akumada Ashanti region.
Ah, yes,
Akumada
yes. I know, grass. What? Maybe say Akumada Ashanti region, but NDC, Simon Tiu, see Nancy a year. ẹjọ so that's one free one ọbẹtìmá ha mo o dwa mi ha mo akadjere o kọ joso kọ yẹ si dance
mo ẹnu yẹ disi fọ
mẹ sa adi ameke yẹn nya ahwehuna na yẹ bi yabe no ẹyama sẹ yẹ si ato ministries wọn na kakyere o wọn na kakyere o si ato ministries ẹwọn yẹ adwuma because IPC ni kọ yẹ bi kọdam ministries a wọpẹ ẹmua ẹdi apẹ mi nkurọfọ eti yẹ tum ọbẹ ẹdẹ wẹnya mmoa ne ni adọ. Yeah, fun profit. Necessary. Minister of Health, yes, someone. And I'm telling you, you're buying the car is building come on and get this. At the board, the Electoral Commission of Ghana, the placing of new voter registrations as a ECOSO. You must see here.
Right, yes, I am Wakaba and from Sinopi on Kumawood television. You go so, yeah, Jinkomo, and you my Ghana, Mofrano, Sabri, consultation is equal to I cost a bind, say, or nature unions in our phone, no more to be a Dinkomo. But then, for what we can say, and they say, Omodiana, Bompire, if I'm a woman. Now, Una Koyana, so now we will interact here. Just encourage them to keep on learning. Now we got your exams now and pass successfully. On Monday the 20th of this month, and visual students across the country ever started exams now. And then on the 3rd, now on general paper being integrated science, almost so no engineer so it tells you said, so my family go for just very 1 week, and I'm on the trade now. So even less than a week. The very thing. See the Cassie, a chance in a Mungo feet, one by a farm and then my 8 week and so. Kwame Zoo and then the NDC Ashanti region and then General Mosquito and I able to the press conference of Marcia on Tuesday. Say NPP4 almost say that commission for Emma certificate do Ashanti region area favor the MPP. Now yet you know so come. I'm sure see we're going to that press conference. Alleging said the electoral commission, although some of the areas of the electoral commission has come out to say yes indeed it was an error. They detected the error earlier and I'm informing the national. But more they Jabinaka by EC say Jabin the other day and this how maybe you. Good.
Vigilance. Ronibeka said vigilance is the key word.
And in the home.
And in the home. Okay. And a key word. And only a running in a fapping pa, especially registration. So when you bet that when you bet corn. Until Ama regional, right from constituency up to your friends at national level. A dear NDCD year to many vigilance. Every step electoral commission be to your head near monitor near head. That is all we are doing. Intimidia.
Okay. My couldn't come around. My man is Ashanti Regional Secretary for the NDC. Bienvenue family zoo. Bravo, what's your car? And why you was in the episode?
Any other Joseph?
If you have a career. If you are seeing now, they are especially my Ghana for say they registration, not NDC, ever the electoral commission should go say they are manipulating figures from the stronghold of the NPP being Ashanti region. Another one, to at the end of the year, after first phase of the exercise now, what is the more easy?
Nam say interview Koya and share interview general. At least we need to offer me and Timonia, me, my own request. But me, I must have a T4 Chelsea and Antia. The tools are fair, the 12 Tuesday active. Look on say about to commission that how much is your money and face by face and not batch by batch. How much is your clatter, 6 days. And the first phase, batch 1 night, and you're there, no extreme of July. And no figures once them ready to get. I mean, a subject by a cow about what Commissioner Chitu Musa would feel that would be candid to John. On school, editing them to so be our and the 423,802 figure would be to John. And one at time at Tion about over 399,000. Over 24,000 more. Omuji to say always my 4 and I will be on the account. A chance in the anti press conference I'll be more. As a new analyst for it being short, that is over to me SDC. But Ankara Bakwa, Ankawu would not election. Ingawuna would not elections. Elections with 2 abandoned and about to commission. I don't give you a week. This your phone enough for 1 or 3. I saw the phone in another 12 weeks and Yamaba. community mother. Would be the less and India Bashi or the powder of bush 30 minutes later and a letter commission conference. The figure now only 2 January and by never know. We are willing to compare position on the idea community. Again, I guess. And then talk on our person with the above. We a danger and I did also over a number of these. And the good is almost a from Papa, you ever to me STC. But Ankaya Patwa at Tolobako, and that's a big dinner. It's a 2016 election. Our man Penny, Banado Danka Kupa, the name. Anka Shamato say, Kodina put your motion house in your mom and I think I did a little worker. Now they're following the downside absence and job was why so. And you're not to that big. Went to one out of the back. And you do a James and one I did kind of a radio. A dream of the ladies. We are sending in a bomb about so my idea. Who carry Dr. Pablo for them. Now that's so. Penny that on the in 2000 elections. It's on the idea. Well, I got some from swap and I could board the lead that I know it's on the idea. When in the side. Or would you mind that you said Dr. for you? So be why you operation now, yeah. Any question over there will say this. Any equipment or the family, all say you overcome later. And the Juma Blue was on the songs, also now now we any year so the day will be our own other time. And the foot tonight, the mom was already at your top when you but never managed to do.
It's not, we also switching you one.
Oh, but they do it there, say any part, the better months were for you. We are sending me now and yes, also from so. Say, Papa, you are from so, and get you. That's a meaning and it's a member needs to do. Now we need last, first and last about because the person we the purpose of about my send me the kind of don't penny for Kudama for post your money to pay you. I'm on my year, so me. Mommy, one and I don't do Kovayan, and one and you want to swing like if they are mathematical challenges, if they are legal challenges. The son is a CI-126. I gave you my idea, Yana, or you have a because I should begin. See, I call you and ask them to say, Edico, my should begin. I didn't go home, and you will get a kind of overhead. Now do you last? When you call your home 3 times, answer no much to me. 3 on the far, now from so on. If you are the car, I did so much for me. And the mammy, one and the woman over here, and so on. And the unborn woman, the woman that's in general, and I don't go now on share now only to one of mine.
Okay. Most of taxi on the issue of intimidation, be Munkofubi, and just a Dumase, and then such a farm place as a year tata or more TV doing the other day. Briefly, I don't know, we have police commander Tia, or what we so are over the Amona.
In the woman in Yabamati, one original police commander being a GSA security was some Nauki.
Yeah.
And when I be the Koswa, so in me, Fitu, yeah, your city member of parliament, so just to do my constituency, everyone likely buying my power. Invisible forces for then the Delta forces for Echo Bruno Namia, MC for South area, all your parliamentary candidates now, MPP Manoko, or one as small, Musanko was in the moment, and the Famuna, Emma police commander, order on the move, the fellow superintendent, who is a banker. Although there would be out there learning coffee, but they are also only more. People be animal, only one fee, only one suffer. But all friends is quite beside the one who not attack them, or like us, so we end in one in a issue. There is a high white Genevieve in the by a man of 72 hours, a vessel each night. The OGs and calls. And Genura, they delegate a very high powered education, original Kamandano, Dr. Samosa, former regional minister Kaho, former deputy minister for the Defense of Kasa Committee, and the deputy national communications officer, and the also Kaho. About what you are on my ocean. Sabiana Oya no supposed to survive. Senana to call National Dumas uncle on now, say, you are my own person, teams and now only. Okay. Come
yɛla ase biribi ani a sinkebeda professor abankyɛ yɛla ase fa wɔ nam na wɔ Kwame Nsu Ashanti Regional Secretary for the NDC and our hotel Canada. To us, what it was in quotation was error, mistake in the buyer. We don't want to check. Lesson, lesson down the very far. But I want to say, yeah, it is an NCBO. And indeed, other Commissioner Jackson said, I will send you what they are. I'm one of officers now. And a year. To us,
and he said, Mike, once a baby, I say, my say serious institution like the Electoral Commission, now the National Service for our people. The National Service will be our own experience with Manu. Well, what a chairman institution bank and a dimension, a handler, a institution, friend say, or my year now, or Becassi, or their own experience in Tinobitimabo, Bra, our friend is Electoral Commission. And Paul, you penny in the crack where you penny, where you will be everywhere. This is any penny shop meeting. Institutional memory bend the Electoral Commission. Every ho. Institutional memory be anymore. What I tell Electoral Commission.
Dr. Bosman Asari.
Yeah, meaning Bosman Asari.
We know one son of
and the institutional memory bend or the
Silver Quick.
Make a institutional memory. Say my Fatimasi. Some word to man who experience what's no matter.
No, but the fact I said, don't tell as long as you don't have an experience.
No, not experience, man. And then can be a experience as a man. I know that Mike would tell me who say, we do her, and send me yes. My father, Petrida, until my father, my minion say, what is it? What's it?
We have always a say, man. Now, what you said, man, a presiding office, I fancy. Returning officer and acquire easy was
good. When him suffering NCC never. The NCC no money Electoral Commission for the year. No money bother. Electoral Commission she share Rebia and say a common tea. Our money the more moko. To be forced over officers as me say, we are seeing go can win anywhere then. I said them no number to sule no name for no more. Walk two or more. The institutional memory was there. Na enko for hodon. Ah, what nasia. Because omo wo your friends experience no na be fade out no na yen pamo mo nyina outright we call retirement na ya replace back we kwa na ya replace bi and na bi no na Electoral Commission of Ghana it has turned into an error rating institution aye errors kwa common rating krata keke aye tro dem political party say emra iPad no and no ya we ya ka we ya tro date kura keke date no dimension tini mo date a serious institutions say that they are sharing inside. Not the money yakuma or the year diablo. Oh, when they are come once no. I don't know make us say. I'm good you a year. Okay, you vigilance. And down and this are growing. What I said every step they make, we calculate and we look at it. Agents, there were agents of baby. You hear some of backup plan of baby. You hear CNG, your friends say, why your friends say print out. They be a print out. Your agents the back. We have our own system. You did check it. You hear me quality. You hear the catch and say, Debbie. So pension number, I get 7,869. So say where is 26,886 hour. You can't hear my district officers, IDD. I'm a regional MSG2. Now tell what was what in crime. No figures when you open our country or turn out. You can't say, Obianu Obe, Sadia will ever so entering for election. We have to. Ghana boy, you must say, Banks of war, according to you, your bill sports row. Coronavirus, you had if you know our brain, Kruman. Young Pesadian, into your Yabre. So we are telling the figures are on what they buy. Now you're 423,000. 802 first place batch 1 and then reduce it so and then 399,507 until we say Ghana high election Emrano Kuraka was so really Bobby Kura 1 vote 1 minute at any MP3 Okruma. Your friend said, Tema, no,
Titles Global.
Only 3 votes that renew. What that is self-figure what number 25,000 thereabout. Until we are not the go, not the king.
It is not the man now. What that you say error or master son. We okay.
This is I know na year kase wo. This is not first time omo year o. Omo year o sa ye o ka pe ntro to metmase ahwe mu yie no. Na ba nyame nchaade ye wo enkofo bebre o e betima tufu am watie. Swantie so waso odea ne ede ba na ebi no. Apereta ohonko ba bia ukọ eja daddy be boyen o ma be boam se wo to se mo won kwans ba se wo se wo ho no ukọ bisan me e to so opra mo o be boam when na wonye se letter na outura na error se when na ya error and then registration figure se hu hia ye critical moment and also ka tell say wo 24,000 and na dia piece wa mo obi
right
when you
also will require a provisional or Yamama. Also, why do you conclude that or Yamubi?
They are a friend of provisional.
Also, we know as I say, we
me everyone call the police station, you register Nipa 40 no. The 40 na be provisional anti. I bet you na real figures ever 30.
This is what the moment.
40 you maintain the 40. This are provisional, this are this is I am bunch of young who say, baby, you are here for
Nana, a serious figure never had a the 3 constituencies in your hand, not a son tea, because they are from 14,000 above 9,000 people, but not accordingly. So, this is for you and a while. A Bianca, easy for us, women, and this is for you and that is what we are saying. Dr. Bano, every common can say, quite a friend, no, catch it, say, oh, you're crying. Into no, quality. But that is also say it says, oh, no, I don't know. Maybe an uncle, career, you don't fasten. Okay. Easy. But I was going to you have to.
How do you determine that? How do you determine? Check vigilance. When you say court to a court, Supreme Court to a court, 2012. Sa vigilance sa being vigilant election day no say you can you need that one and before you need that papa na say who say amizu e kan sem no e ma ne ye poko say error ye ba bi etimisi machine ye di adwuma ni paso na ye machine ni paso ne te ho ma omo ye adwuma wo ye adwuma na wo sha 7 to 6 o'clock. Break a crack. In the end, you want to see the big to me size. That's the thing I'm here to say. NBC for said no million vigilance. Instead, these are more easier to charge. On the time, no more. A boat, your boom crack, let my boat count. A boom crack, yes, I know my baby mama. Again, one can't just say the independent institutions, you're managing it. Uref. Who go to that? Say independent institutions. The money is in the tuna. So, what can you? Also, one year to say errors there. It's missing. It's a name. And this one, how I win. But
I was at the electoral commission in Dow because we acquire elections. If you are saying,
elections, elections. Elections. Now, I next was say elections was RDC. Because on the home center, yes, everywhere center. What means? Engineer the ass, how do you BBC? Check easy or Cairo. When himself, maybe NHIS card and the register. When himself, near for from year to year, then can be that soon. And the assembly, Supreme Court, catch it, easy so boy.
Now we're going to
no man can't say, oh, you need every Uref, Uref, say easy cars for you, and so 7 years you just add and come in paying that school. We use NHIS card. And see, we see a young young and yeah, at times, a institution, what's the name? Any possible errors beat me about. But we are party, political party, you mean so paper power. I was so zero. No one need that. But I need that one also. We need that one. Check.
But I don't know. Say, shall I say, no, was so. And I will see. I will also say, Kamuga. No,
NDC wɔ tie wɔgya aka ɔbaa ɛkwa mizu kaa yɛ a wɔyɛ na yi kakra na ɛmaa ne kasa no so te yɛanofa ne wɔ bɔɔ sɛ bɛma no nipa baako bi ti hɔ ne sister station baako bɛhwɛ deɛ no wɔyɛ nti ɔmo wo nyinaa ɛka ɔmo nyinaa yɛ ɛne ne amame kasa ni sɔɔso bɛba baa mu a ɛnyɛ yiisi na abɛha wɔn no ɛyɛ nda hɔ ɛne bua nkasa wobɛ the way abɛ carry yourself as a party political party hwɛ NDC wɔn wɔn ha ɔba ebesi nnɛ NDC wuli mu kɔ you dey know why they lost the election 2016 wɔn ni wuli.
Meaning be so
wuli bi wɔn.
Why not?
na wɔn kò yà bɛ tó. ọmọ dẹbi mi yẹ bẹẹ na ẹba yà mọ ọmọ títí tẹ ẹsẹ ìlú kẹtì ọgbọ tó kọm. na wọ́n bẹ ọwọ́ gbìyànjú ọmọ ẹni yà àbùkù ọmọ nsẹmú a yìí tí ẹ mọ ọmọ lùsù ẹlẹsìn. ọmọ akọrọ ti sá mistake hwẹ àbẹ̀bù sẹ mistake aduane kẹkẹ kúrò ọmọ dé kọ drums ọmọ dé mú ọmọ nkúrò fún wa.
na de anu kan fama ha.
hwẹ ẹyẹ tíì ó tẹ̀lé mi tọrọ ọmọ ní yìí sì but ẹnyẹ mi wọn wá sẹ wobɛtena hɔ na waka saa asɛm ne sɛ yɛde ma hɔ NDC ni kura yɛma ne bi
yɛde ne fifty mo ni before no de command top commission for workers
no tie deɛ ne ka no yɛ team me si NDC ni yɛma ne bi
nti boko abɛde ma NDC
NDP ni no
na de ma commission
electoral commission adwumayɛfoɔ no yɛma ɔmo bi but yɛwɔ security personnel wɔ yɛma ne aduane ɛnyɛ ba masa ɛnyɛ bɔne koraa
ɛnyɛ duty no
ɛnyɛ duty but
it's an inducement you are inducing them
it's not
yes so what you are doing sɛ officer no wɔ hɔ Ghana police service and national security agents de na kɔ na ti
nti o sɛ ne sisi a mama bibi a ma kyerɛ sɛ no sona sa fa no drama me pe for me o na sa fa ye bra sɛ ni o wa ɛyɛ na we mu nie efunu nani ne yi nye saa nneɛma na yɛde sisi esupase a ebi ne free agents mpara yi a yɛbɔ wɔn yɛmu na wɔn nkɔtena fie so ɔba ɛwɔ mu a wɔ saa adwene no psychological wɔ akwadaa ne nya problem a wobɛ mu sɛ yes mesi me ba girl wɔ sɛ na yi baabi esu anka pɛpɛ they want to come home hwɛ mɛsrɛ NDC ɛnhyɛ seɛ na ɔmo nyɛ ɔmo homework yie na ɔmo nyɛ yi si a ebi ani emu baasi no ọmọ ní ẹmu policies a ọmọ bẹ tó ebesi nnẹ NPP mẹtìmí aka efi saa ẹba saa policies a ẹdi aboa ama ẹdi afọ ẹmu atọ wọ free agency kura nkasa masa ese nwọ akwadaa bi a owie school 2013 otwa yẹ papa but school fees ní ọdí ká yẹ kó kyekye yẹ ní ọdí ká 1,800. What the back old money now? 18 What do you say? On the research date.
When there's also one, because some can't.
Yeah, but we are much. Say it in the man. And then man who yan. I put down you headmaster in the car near Pega Grammar School. No, Omodi Apadana Adiana man. And that's any pastor. Who man can fear? Who said a brother? And that's we are only few. And then what about the registration? Yeah, and then be PIA provide one for them. And mattress problem that was right. The American said, on the young policies, on the person of the Babby to MP. Right. No, you said, copy the didn't want to copy the show. And when they get say, Yari, bra, Yari said, by NDC time. Can't eat everybody be like a crab. Check company come on doing, came the better than one, a cameraman, the better one. Come over to the camera.
NDP and I feel Morris so NDC with that communication team. You try to see about to us now yes right, yes, I am Wakwawa. Camera Sinupi on Kumawood Television. Robin Fashion, Ditcham so near Golden Hotel. The Health Minister, Kwakwajiman Menu, has, as he said, the current number of cases recorded in some schools was not enough grounds to send the students back home. Government was determined to deal with the outbreak and protect all students in affected schools. So parents should not worry. Farouk Tema, the registration exercise is going on smoothly, but all we ask from political actors is to spare our peace with this veiled propaganda and scaremongering. Good evening, Sir Mike. Please, have you seen the video going viral? You see how evil some NPP parliamentarians are campaigning in schools because of politics. God save our country. Okay, but also I don't know. Or see, watching you live from Jakubu. Okay, yeah, say okay. Sasaku, Osekum TV. We understand some perfume. Yama Yako. Sami Buache Asaman Kesi, or say the desperate and inconsistent opposition party NDC are just making unnecessary noise. Their contradiction has exposed them. Okay, and also the other Abba and OPK go. So, listen, Mike, I'm watching you live. A good discussion this afternoon, please. The youth must know series by the NPP. You shows visionary and competent Ronaldo. Dr. Bawumia have performed better in 3 years 6 months, which super incompetent Mahama and NDC couldn't have done in 8 years. Regards to Deputy Communication Director and Nana Menu Goso Sahini. Okay, and also the other Abba I don't know Masaudu, right from Bantama in the Ashanti region. NDC should stop wasting their time and energy, because JDM can never win election in Ghana. Ghanaians are well descended and will vote massively for Bawumia Nana to continue their unprecedented policies. Regards to Honorable Efria Kutu, Agri Minister. Minister, at this time, Teacher Kudu, so what happened to NDC COVID-19 team? It exists only on paper. Dead on arrival. What have they come up with? Mahama couldn't even handle a sugar factory, and he thinks he can handle the global pandemic. Regards to Honorable Suleiman Ademu, Afro North MP. Good evening, Samai. Watching you from Ashiroso in the Western North region. The NDC will win 2020 elections. Nevertheless, we need to work hard. Forget about Tuntumi and his team. We shall succeed. Okay. And also the other. Well, the NPP and Omo Eka say, Mabunua, you policies party and they say, Abaya or teacher, Abaya will tell me, the Namani Mahama, Utimi indicate any and also any new policy piano by under his regime. My Morris NPP for say more some youth policies are Mahama buy more than buy. Mama buy 2 minutes in area, so wait to be a bogus to chair.
Sir, when you say Mahama Nankasa, I can answer. So Nankasa, ya ban wo de obese wo bie debate na ya compare o mo oni zo ya babu. Okay. Enti na ye so ye nim say Ghana o first statistics Ghana, Africa, we are your young population. What I say? The president bia when isuade hu bia. I so focus more on the youth. And no so very serious of your policy I be rolling out bia. Most of it bia na it benefits the youth and it benefits youth. Because so very thematic tema na use to changing lives, transforming Ghana. So we me no abrabo na na person change. Boy e babu me e babu. So we no be our retirement we once na na ye. and one just say a big come say me a big come and papa or retirement what I say so I should be the focal point. Whether my mention say with on the name of youth and sports yeah and to say or match ministry when
youth and sports
ministers only men started with the sports about sports a year o concrete and class as a focus as be other baby and until the president Mahama who say I will call la no name baby from when they just of Accra and Kasa we connect you to just say they need be a hey it is a sad year so more icon be no show interest one aspect of your friends and sports and then my man hands menye hoye ebini your friend is a buko banku boxing arena I see here oba Cape Coast say o Cape Coast sports stadium nti na boxing arena ya making we dey call coaches egu ye was segments bebre o kono na enkura no omugo ma ye training o ehwa na your friends e buko banku make kan say o momento no abefa ho ni nyina ya ye bi hwe videos ne bi hwe.
That's one youth policy.
Yes, sir, you to not enter youth for second, I been said, Senka ye de mantle no mind be 2016. Nke besi stadia, Ankapa, East Upper, West, Volta, Reading, Eastern, no more half, a binanity. I been said, putting the people first manifesto. Because where you walk list of policies and never be ever boy youth. Share NDC the program be aba or making sure say it is a serious program because serious and what lifespan a bit map a bit say not you and then you won't go for another payroll no swap or code the juma to say me I
don't know youth policy.
What I say never
not more youth policy.
People say mine. Minim so be ma won say wo
no access
won say job for ni bia koye
what boku
me say enuma ye on be bia me de my argument ni fi ba
o say not more your youth policy about the buy na
na me ka say o be bia me de my argument ni fi ba oh ni am best me che on say enuma bia youth no o mo na boss in term Ghana and Africa na ti enuma bia obebe so make sure say youth centered. What the mom call mom yes somebody say not more and go for men also.
Is it a policy?
Maybe
for the youth.
Oh,
yeah, no.
What do you refer as a policy? Minimum now different definition. Not policy. A my dear policy and come for you now. Negi baby say youth another babu no repeti. Nya to so mienu. Omo de your friend is youth employment. Okay, go for time. What's the middle credit but nay ad hoc. What they are MPP policy youth and be on Muyabian. Yeah, nay ad hoc. You can't go and say buy and check. Busumi Siafi, Naiko, ye buy President Mills time. Near ye and say, you make sure say, ye the core parliament, money by year, Youth Employment Act 2015, Act 887. I net a yemra. What I say? Yeti a moment about I say I bet Nasia and next offer the partner and yet tabletop payment again. What I say, tabletop and no way. Remember, you created 21,045 jobs under rural enterprise project. You created 21,802 jobs under the Opportunity Industrialization Center (OIC). If you were friends and Bantam conference in North Central, if you were to see a training Maguna and no more baby a year, you created over 9,000 jobs under the Cocoa City Yenema youth. Anybody, especially Cocoa and net many women. You say, they would say, no, make us say, President Mahama NDC, and I'm here so, and they created youth enterprise support. What I say? Now you provided funds over 100 youth nobody
right
or would it be
youth support
yes
NACO and sorry NADMO okay maybe on policies no
on policies
no
when you say let's see business centers across the districts throughout the
NDSS now.
Yes. CSCC structures are yet for you to be wow. But that's Central East. And one issue, you know, a Koba and DC is there, or see will be a bonnet. I want another elder commission.
Oh, okay.
Yes, they're boy, I get in a ball.
They're the ball, the DC has money to
Boy, no, Sadia, you were a business student. I have found 8,500. Then the get you. Sorry, sir. Man, Panika, and who said Dr. Free and a facilitating man on the Zuko interview, Namiana Roma, or go through. What is that? Maka Business Center. I have a youth. Here, Naku, ye, Naku. What is it, Ruby, NDC? I'm quite up with any item. No one to pretty much. Now, you're unemployment. Who's that unemployment? You know, youth in there. On one will be invested in the doors. And see a castle on from certain education office. Check. Among for this certificate, Utah, never brought to Okana. You buy a Naku, you come, one district, one factory, you come, youth employment, you increase the crop. Nursing training allowance, among on when you are teacher training allowance, on when you are policy, yes, I be on the baby, and when you are to among you to the Niati, a woman. No, just I mean, teacher training, I will get some. And when you be one year, may back out, not ministry, may back out to meet if school, no ministry, but I don't make back, I will do what we take, and the best of Vietnam to talk with them. You wouldn't have capital in the shop, Brasia, and then what, Bra, every single year, I'm maybe what can't say me. You can't a Naku. When you say you're 2 on what to do, you're 2 on up to do. Youth and employment agency, and also 78,000. As I say, you to know more yet. If it does so bad, you grind them. Station was this year, or more yet. My also nice, no more also. It was a dear one 0200 603 602 0200 603 602. But one down, lower the volume of your TV set. My TV set no volume no from na mintio our phone. If I chop lower the volume of your TV set. They tell more phone na get me and take okay. They are one or two. Open to your friend. First of all, NBC no city so obibu e free edumo manza na near fan. But here by teachers recruitment for free double tracking then I said for first teacher for a foul. Any non-teaching staffs are a foul. Our more year tomorrow secondary schools. So as I say, we have 8,875 teachers. Non-teaching staff 1,400. So proud and see a engine. Yes, I'll be at I'm on winner. They hear your pin. Avenue for you to know. You never be busy will be answered when your job. A friend said recruitment of environmental health officers. Okay. And also you come our move on and 1,174. Yes. Forestry, yeah. Check youth here. That just another color, do you know? Almost another. A card is so big, you. Okay. Now, we will be no card as and yes, also one better. There are one better, any amount. Now, what? There is extension officers 2,700. If I will use, you never grow. Said you're not or more car, a honor and then and will grab winner. You deal more regular or money than we. And yet a youth policy number. Recruitment of over 12,000 security personnel. Nepa boy. Or call a yibi. Immigration yibi. 2 weeks ago. Nepa boy. Or immigration. Or qualify. Right, Madam said, never to one. Make a question. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Zermatt. Chair for Palo Kisha, Dako Penio, the chair producer for Jonas Muchano. I'm school now, I say teachers, so back a Poma pray for the crack or and can you problem? We can go far good for the cocaho, and a dear some Cassia, Tumba, and near no one. na de me brave MPP ni na to a okay Usha NDC amamu papa ni ma papa o mo se bank sector ko fo ni aduma ye ene na ku fa do bank sell wagulo more than 400 now have bank 400 na workers akotena fie o mo ditire asanya na ko mo bi nafku na ko bi o ya bank aduma timi more than 80 million na nafku man 7 million tiye me GMP for crime tiase because we have pedestrian penny allowance no more than one sema and then you don't sell no much finances ko ta wo dia beto mu finances the few more finances ni tikati ni kwa omunya wo ti ni omunya no mama beba
okay yeah sit down hello good evening hello okay wait me afre na ya fa message odi aba say good evening sir Mike NADMO as a youth policy masresa no na ya de odi aba no hello good evening hello good evening good evening how are you free what the whole of the process na yetio I say more good evening referee
I'm going to papa je matamani
okay yetio pa
and this is now to
what think
hello
good evening
but for your safety central region constituency but and make sure I'm paying another down for Kufado. We make sure we are empty, another for the Gatudo. Many are the many in MPP in the Kano. So the Cat Social International ending home in the Babu Common Pakache. When you go back to 1992, from one side, almost all the first of all, the Amanda and Family. From 1992 to 2000, the first of all, the buy. From 2008 to 2016, the first of 18 to the buy. How many? 2006, I've done another book about education of show home. Come and family, and we don't have to do something clearly.
Okay. Good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening.
Openi Majo.
Majo, sir.
Yeah, your friend is Swans, because that's free. Bosai. Openi mami mo kita baso. Na wenka chane se onton koso na NDC for consultancy. Openi mami so sensi you semana worker no. And before say one more chance to catch any allowance and we youth policy. Catch any part what did not want to say. One more for the meetings from na ni mo guase. Openi you to juma ben na come say and say we school no nya bank juma na we. Openi you to juma ben na say nyame ya dum no ko nya guarantee dia na say what came and juma na we. Openi you to juma ben na say o papa die private school na wo gye mu charge dis kagu wa botom. Openi you to juma ben na say onana da kwaku fado eti ko ma say wodini sabon kunga fayeti adi ehun sika nyina pam yakotene hie. Yeti ko ma sika wo do wo ko ma say you to this omo.
Okay, good evening. Good evening.
I'm going to Premier Bull.
Yes,
my buy no less than buy. That less than no a woman I found salad trade woman. Chita Jumani, so like the many of the and I'm so no. I think if you know now, Democratic to take any allowance. Mahama time ready more mobile. I'm out to the radio. I say allowance now with the mouth. See, my family number that.
Okay, and I see. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Good evening.
We are free here.
The control your family that I make a 3 branch my constituency.
Okay, yes.
The control
NPP ni na o to wala o tin na ko ye chia up to June no enya no kwe arrest wo mo go chia ye mimi na ye bi wo ye do much long 7 months ni ye chia ne ka it is all that ye chia ayi na ko arrest ni na enya no kwe me that
Then I see. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, I'm free.
It's free. You're quiet.
Okay, it's your name.
You get there, Madam Master. The ammonia Maya. Said the MDC for yɛto ɛyɛ schools mu ɔmo fiɛs nyinaa ne sɛ nkwalaa no ɛbɛto ɔbɛtia ɔmo so ɔmo kɔ fiw so ɔmo school mu o ɔmo register akɔ ɔbɛtia wɔ ɔmo nti ɔmo nti aseɛ na youth ɛyɛ a ɔde bɛto hɔ yi deɛ nagmo ntumi nyɛ ɛyɛ yi ne ɛnyɛ youth ɛyi ɛno nti no ndc foɔ ɛnti aseɛ sɛ ɔmo ne youth policy biara ɔmo bɛbɔ youth no the obidia what the buy and to take a now my penny before the do way by and I see.
Right, I think you have an ask for an easy. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, I'm free.
If I told you about the safety between.
You're free with you.
Maybe I should be with the MPP in which I said, obviously, youth policy, but John Dramani Mahama. Administration area. The person with your moment to say, but for a month of friends, or what you said there, and the youth policy being no more chance to teacher training. So be real school, never put someone direct. I'm on my papa child here. Yes, if we be real school, never put someone direct. I'm on my papa child here. Maybe so, community mining here, no youth being, and I go for an area. You contract I won't go out of any demand of what a contract to school that you go on the issue. If I talk about it is also a youth a political.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, I'm free.
I'm a friend of Shadrach, look at the thing after it's changing.
Chibi, get you.
MDC man, now cafe, that's why my man came in. Now, say, Dr. Kuba said 15% of students in Yarabia able to go to school. Now, man, I was Kakami and said, if you want to go to the crowd, another 375,000. Walk up to 15% and now 56,000. So, 18 or more years, all the sort of now, 56,000 in Ghana. What was the school? I think too bad.
Okay. I think over the last caller. Good evening. Okay. Yere na yemfa NC. Yana wase say mo kasa no eda Sinopi on Kumawood TV. Mami akuya echiawo pa ene right. Yeko na afi your estimate was just 15 seconds.
You can say, a pioneer or junior youth, a okay, we see that give me a 19 year. Now, or more car or say, sir, first and up. Ubi would you maybe a 1 or 2. And will problem with your market because of transfer. Yeah, oh, yeah,
but I must see up to June.
Up to June.
And I'm going to say, Morris,
and then it will confirm.
What's everything I'm catch you say? Or more policy be or more can be ad hoc measures. Just say, and only say, yeah, the assessment 1 year. You need plan here because I said now we legal event back. What they are non the boom and it is a bat nasi. Once I pray for back, we train me my BCB so say, be anywhere chance youth in every school when you do me. And until I do Mahama AC hospitals. Okay. And now I'm looking at the minister and Nama. Right. I was saying I'm commission.
Nana Wachi Yadom, regional communication team member for the NPP, and then communication officer for the NPP ewa Fijasi constituency and Kasanso and Kisa Morris, also a regional communication team member for the NDC, and also Ote Dr. Cosmos AJ, that cause health service, Emra Rosempa and Oshre Wakonta Nippon or Wawedim. Yamawone Bushafuna na Yako, by you say, and also in ye free. We don't want that. What's not very bibia. We then the Michael Nana Atumako with me after me say Mike Bernard Ade, the producer, production manager, Uchinozo, the only one. Kobe Frank, cameraman, MCR, VTR, Augustina, and Alfie Loretta, and then me director, Samuel Kwabena Dakon, aka Sam Dakus, as a producer, and so and no. Yakramo, Yame Ayatu, Nadon Domea. What's not? Bye bye.